Hello everyone, this is Sushant Sood. I'm alumni of University College of Engineering, Punjab University, Patiala. I did my mechanical engineering from UCO and I was part of batch 2004 to 2008, and I was topper of that batch, due to which I received gold medal from the university. And I received this gold medal from none other than Mr. Gulzar, who is a great lyricist of our Bollywood industry. I completed the graduation in 2008 and I was placed in one of the top IT company called Infosys Technologies as part of the campus placements. After starting my career in the IT, now I have completed 11 and a half years in the IT industry. And I will let you know where I'm working right now. That's a kind of surprise. I'll disclose this at the end of the video. I wanted to cover few points about this university, how this university stand different from other universities of the region. One of the great benefit of studying in Punjab University is its faculty. Its faculty got experience from industry. So they worked in industry and then they got that experience, and then they started teaching students in University College of Engineering. Due to that, they had a broader view of the domain. Like they worked in automobile industry, they worked in electronic industry, they worked in computer companies. So they have a vast idea about the different domains. So they applied all the faculty members applied their experience while teaching students, which gave us a great view of a real industry while studying itself. So that was one of the great point of which I found out while studying in University College of Engineering. Other benefit is you while working while studying, while studying in such a great institution, you get a lot of exposure here. What I mean from exposure is you are studying engineering principles over here, and while studying the engineering principles, there are a lot of other domains which you can learn, which you can get knowledge of in this university. I'll take an example of foreign languages. I myself did study German language while studying in the university. So which helped me a lot while interacting with the clients in my real job. So that is one of the great experience you get while studying in this university. Another exposure you get is, like, as this is a great great university in our region, which has some relationship with the culture as well. So you will learn different languages over here. You will share thoughts with a lot of scholars who are studying different domains over in this university. Apart from that, Punjab University is already excelling in the sports as well. So you get an opportunity of participating in different games. Even though I didn't participate much, there were, but still I got opportunity to play a little bit of badminton and other games over there. While studying here, you will get a blend of classroom studies as well as the industry exposure also. Why I'm saying that? Because our faculty members designed our curriculum in such a way that just after completing the classroom studies, they used to take us to the different industrial trips. We went to Nathapa Chakri, and we were shown a real turbine, and we were encountering how electricity is produced from those turbines. And we went to Honda motors, and then we went to other companies like Swaraj Mazda. So we got experience while studying itself. We got some kind of industry exposure while studying itself. So that was another benefit of studying in university, where our faculty members already had a great exposure. Apart from that, as I was from mechanical background, I had to work in the IT company. So our computer branch faculty members also helped us a lot in preparing the IT part of our work, and then they made us ready for the new job, which where you all know, like Infosys training is very strict training and very tough training, which is not easy to crack. So our faculty members of the computer branch also made us ready by teaching us all the skills in the college itself. That was all about what I learned, what I gained while studying in University College of Engineering. Apart from that, now I think I would like to open up the surprise which I did not disclose where I'm working now. So after 11 and a half years of experience, now I'm working with Microsoft, and I am right now placed in Seattle headquarters in United States of America, where I am working as a senior software engineer for Microsoft's cloud division, which is called Microsoft Azure, and this is one of the great cloud provider for all the enterprises. And I am building cloud solutions for different customers of Microsoft, and I can say, like, I am able to achieve this just because of the great skills I got from my faculty members, the great directions given by our faculty members. So you will gain a lot if you study in an environment which has lot of opportunities to learn and lot of skills you can gain. Not only the engineering skills, you can learn the interpersonal skills also. And another thought I think I would like to share with you, like which I learned from our faculty members, that they gave us an opportunity to uh, hone our presentation skills in the college itself. Our one of our professor, who is Mr. Barraj Sani, he, as he was from the industry background, he knew what engineers needed as part of their skill set. So they prepared us and they helped us in improving our presentation skills, which really helped me in my whole career. I hope whatever I've shared, which will definitely help you out in uh, learning all those skills when you become part of this great institution. And all the very best for your career, and all the very best for your future. Thank you very much.